yesterday, a day before yesterday, before Dussehra, my bike got stalled, okay, because of unknown reason. So I have booked the RSA like day before yesterday. I don't want to ride it because बीच में बंद होता है. So he's tying up the knot. So अभी they have came to take the vehicle. जाएगा ना? क्या कुछ दिक्कत है? वो प्लास्टिक है पूरा. सेंटर स्टैंड में डालूं क्या? First time towing my vehicle because the bike never had an issue, but this time it's having a lot of issues. Nice. ये आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? बांद्रा से आ रहे हैं? अरे बाप रे. गाड़ी बाहर आ गया थोड़ा. चलेगा ना? First time I'm just taking this bike. So they have all these brand partnered. बस बाइक गिरे ना. अभी आपको बुलाएंगे तो आप ही आते हैं क्या इधर? So this will go to Andheri service center. I have to call the manager, Vaibhav, because day before yesterday I have already informed him, and he will take this and they will do all whatever they want to do, and I'll connect with them in the call. Okay, because I don't have much time and मेरे को थोड़ा ऑफिस का काम भी है, तो इसीलिए I thought कि let them take it. So this is the first time my bike is going alone. I never let my bike go alone. Even it's a day or two, I stay with it and जो भी काम करके लेता था, but ठीक है. It's looking good when the bike is on the tow and अच्छा लगता है कि इतना बड़ा बाइक जा रहा है कहाँ तो. चलो, let's go. गाड़ी जा रहा है चम चम चम. चाचा लेके निकले हम. चलो, vehicle went. I have to call Andheri managers to let them know that my vehicle is coming. Vaibhav was not receiving call saying time hai, you might be traveling. I have some work to do. The life of a biker when the bike is in the service center. So running to catch the train. So now the helmet is with me. I'm going to Ghatkopar. So this is the biker condition when the bike is on service center. झगड़ा हो रहा है. So where are we right now? We are in metro. Ghatkopar. I'm carrying my helmet. But difficult है without the bike. Because I never traveled. It's been almost 3 years. So difficult. Number already in the service center because I've told him to come and check out the bikes so that I can get the bike and walk through. Because it's already 6:30, service center banda hai. So before that I need to get down and get the bike. So we are in metro. It's been a long day and I'm vlogging in metro and people are looking at me like, okay, chalo. So I need to get down in Marol Naka. Where are we right now? Ghatkopar. Jagrati Nagar, Asatfa, Saki Naka, Fevicol. Where is Marol Naka? Fevicol. This is Marul Naka. So this is where I need to get down. So lots of new stores in Marol Naka Metro because it's been almost a year I've been traveling here. तो अभी कोई नहीं है, मैं उतर रहा हूँ. Then I'll go to service center of KTM. Then from there I'll get the bike. It's ready. It's in the wash because my friend already is in service center. So he was working over here. So I told him to go and check, and he has already checked. So I have to walk. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Clutch switch changed, and he said because the root cause of the problem was the radiator filter was filled with mud, and we have to clean that. पता नहीं अभी कैसे इतना गंदा हो गया है, and I have to come so far. अच्छा, एक अच्छा चीज़ है कि RSA हुआ था. So मेरे पीछे बैठा है मेरा दोस्त जो काम ख़त्म करके आया है अभी, and he was waiting there. Traffic ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ. ஆமா, அங்கே முன்னாடி கிடச்சா கிடைக்கும். இது யாரோ கிரிக்கெட்டர் மாதிரி இருக்கு. Okay, so this time there's no much traffic, but I'll get it in Sakinaka because that's where the divider is. One goes to Kurla, another one goes to Powai. See, that's where I'll find. So every time it's a peak hour, so we can expect this. This is an usual place in Andheri, so we don't have to worry about it. So I don't come on the peak hours, but abhi kya hai, mera gaadi just now, it has been done. I have done the servicing, so I have to do it. Okay, so let me end up this video here. So this was the issue. So please keep your radiator clean and don't let your oil coolant temperature go high. So this will create this problem. So let's see if anything goes wrong again. I think the temperature sensors needs to be changed again. This was one of the suggestion. If everything goes well, then I think I can write more. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel Daniel Loju Motor Vlogs, and do check out my Instagram page. Thank you so much.